What if we could extract soft tissue and proteins from the middle of dinosaur bones? You know, it might sound like something from a movie, but scientists have done it. Learn about this incredible discovery right now on Wonders Without Number.
What do you think of when you hear the word Jurassic?
I think millions of years ago.
Well, time of dinosaurs.
Yeah.
Exactly. That's what we think of. It's the time before humans. It's the time before anything we know today.
And what we're about to see is that the biblical model.
A different view of both dinosaurs and the Jurassic, which you're going to find fits much closer to the biblical narrative. 2005 was the big paper, led by a scientist named Mary Schweitzer, where she found in the femur of a Tyrannosaurus rex tissue that was squishable, pliable, you could stretch it and bounce back into position. In 2012, the Creation Research Society sent a team that included myself and Mark Armitage to the Hell Creek Formation area near Glendive, Montana. And what we found was a massive Triceratops horn. What was found was nice slabs of tissue. This is featured on the cover of American Laboratory.
Wow.
Nice slabs of tissue, you can peel them out. I challenge there's no current preservation model that can address this. Mary Schweitzer, I feel, has given us a very good summary of the current situation. Says that leaves us two alternatives. Either the dinosaurs aren't as old as we think they are, or we don't know exactly how these things get preserved. Fair enough. Fair enough. Here's my problem. Dinosaurs aren't as old as we think they are. That's not even a topic open for discussion.